So yan guys, we're going to Shimo Kitazawa. So platform 2 here in Shibuya Station. Yung isa, there's a platform 1 but that's bound for a different route. So yun, dito lang tayo guys. I'm here in Shimo Kitazawa. So let's just take the elevator. Paglabas nyo ng ticket gate. Parang ito na nga yun, B. B, anuin ko lang tong Shimo Kitazawa Station. Shimo Kitazawa Station, right? This is connected to Shibuya.
Special, babe, and I think I'm falling. Never saw it coming. Got just something special, girl. I think I'm falling in love.
The vibe is similar to parang Sonsudong.
I'm falling in love.
So guys, ayan o, puro ano na to. Like all the vintage shops you can find. So they have restaurants too. They have a pizza and pasta place. So guys, ayan na siya. Makikita nyo. Vintage stores. They have Yoshinoya. Kaso kakakain lang namin. Kakakain lang. Ditong Grizzly, papasukin natin. But that's, I think, the last, no? Sa list natin. They have Patagonia. Nice. It's a sustainable brand, guys. Ang ganda nito. Guys, alam nyo ba magkano lang to dito? This is only 4,980 yen, guys. And do you know how much Patagonia is? Guys, this one is just 9,980. This vest. I also like this jacket. It's super nice. It's only 13,980. That's a nice vest. Ito guys, ha? Tignan nyo ha kung ano to. This is a nice vest. I don't know, hindi ko pa na-check yung brand. But this one is only 3,900. Grabe. I'm telling you guys. Ganda naman ito. B, ito. Ay, para ang laki kasi, no? Guys, I'm also liking the vibe here in Shimo Kitazawa. So having the best of Tokyo and Korea and Seoul. We're looking for a place called Focus. but we don't know where it is. Amoy kape. Saan yan? Here. Kaso nagkape na tayo. Meron silang menu. You wanna check the menu? Tara! Let's go. Ano na, yung pinigay ko sa'yo. Let's go to focus. Oh. Dito mo, maganda to. Getting this Ralph white. Lawang man siya. Papaano ko na lang. So guys, this is only 5.9. My husband's getting this one. This one is only 4.5. Burberry jacket. Super nice. Like, these are the trench coat, guys. Burberry. Guys, alam nyo, may sabihin ako, itong polo na to, ayaw ng husband ko. This is super nice. Linen. Bagong-bago, guys. Palang nakakagamit pa. It's only 12,000 yen. Ito rin, this Burberry. This is also, like, almost brand new. But ayaw din ng husband ko, guys. Ito, almost brand new. This is only 14,000 yen. I was explaining, saan ka makakakita ng Burberry of that price. So here. So we're done. Alright, we're done. Thank you. Hindi lahat may magandang design. Hindi rin lahat super bago. So nasa inyo na yun kung gusto nyo yung ganong quality. Okay, so we're going back. So guys, what these vintage shops are selling are second-hand clothes. Kanya-kanyang choice yan. If you want to wear vintage clothes, may sinusupport din naman na cause yan, which is sustainability, di ba? Kasi tapong ka ng tapon ng damit na napupunta lang sa mga basurahan. So, wait lang guys, upo lang ako. So, as I was explaining nga guys, nasa inyo yun if you want to buy vintage clothes or not. Kami, basta malinis, okay lang sa amin. And dito kasi, known sila talaga for cleaning the second-hand goods before they are put on sale. Yun nga, na-explain ko, may cost din naman siya bakit ang mga tao mahilig sa ukay. Una, tipid siya. Pangalawa, sustainable siya. And ano kasi tayo overconsumption na tayo ng mga damit. Diba, lalo na ngayon fast fashion na tinatawag. At least ito, umiikot lang yung damit without necessarily na nagiging basura lang siya, nagka-clog ng drainage, nagpo-pollute ng ocean, mga ganon. So kaya kami na bumibili. But not everything that's on sale good quality. Hindi rin lahat on sale ay good yung design. So like we went to the first store called Grizzly, but hindi lahat sobrang ganda. So merong mga sira, merong mga parang brand new. So kayo na lang yung pipili. Wait lang, mag-copyright ako dito. Kayo na lang maghanap ng quality na maganda. But guys, kung sa discount talaga. Like, I was able to get a brand new, almost brand new polo shirt na pang office. It's only, I think, 4,900 yen. And I bought exactly ganon na polo, brand new, iba lang shade in the US outlets, halos doble or triple ng price. Anyways, we're going now to the next stop. Pabalik na kami rin sa MRT station. Where is Desert Snow? Are you sure? Ayoko na kasi guys maghagdan kasi sumasakit na yung tuhod ko eh. So, guys, we're here in Desert Snow. And oh my god, overwhelming. Overwhelming, guys. Lacoste. These are all Lacoste. Oh my god. Guys, it's super nice here. Oh my god. So, yun guys, I'm here at the Shimokusawa Station. Pabalik na kami. Punta naman kami ngayon sa Harajuku. Alam mo, chill nga lang kami. Pero anong oras na? 2:30 na. Guys, ang tagal namin dun sa Shimokusawa. Parang doon kami nag-shopping. Talaga. Parang na-enjoy ko ang vintage shopping. Kasi ang dami kong nakikita na very, very good quality. Like, hindi ko nga alam kung nagamit eh. Siguro ito yung parang mga binili ni regalo, tas maling size, tas parang na-realize nila hindi magandang fit. So they went to a second-hand store. Parang bagong-bago talaga, guys. Kasi makikita mo yung medyo used eh. Meron siyang himulmol na alam mong nalabhan na. Ito, alam mo na parang nagamit konti-konti lang or baka hindi pa nagamit talaga. Guys, so for reference, I got like a new Ralph polo shirt na parang 7,900 yen. So, roughly, lagi ba na 8,000? Mga 3,000? Ganon. So, teka, tama ba? Wait lang guys, ha? Compute ko habang kasama ko kayo. So, this is 7,900 yen. 2,900. Diba? Ang ganda. Alam mo guys, kasi sobrang mahal yan eh. Yung original na price niyan sa store, sa outlet sa Vegas, yung nabili ko, parang nasa mga 12,000. Hindi nga, ganun yung presyo. Eh, ito, 2,900, halos times 4. I mean, 75% off yung presyo. So, ang husband ko ay, alam mo, husband ko, ano yan, mapili yan. Mapili siya talaga sa brand, mapili din siya sa quality. Hindi siya mahilig bumili ng marami. But he buys quality. Paisa-isa lang yan. Paisa-isa lang siya tumira. Pero pag kunyari, nagustuhan niya yung brand, nako, ang dami niyang bibilihin. Like, sweater, may jacket, nangongolekta yan. So, ayaw niya ng mga second hand. Hindi yan mahihilig sa ganun. But guys, pagpunta niya dito, nakita niya yung quality. Para talagang brand. Ang dami na nabili. Meron pang nabili na guys from Patagonia, ganyan. Basta guys, maganda talaga. So, dito na kami ngayon. Ready na. We're going to Harajuku. But instead of stopping at Harajuku Station, doon kami sa Meiji Jingu Shrine Station. Next stop kasi noon ang Harajuku. Eh, lalakarin na lang namin. Meiji Jingu, lakad na lang kami to Takeshita Station. And that's it guys. Let's go! Yun guys, pagkadating nyo dito sa Meiji Jingu Shrine Station, susundan nyo lang yung exit papuntang Yoyogi Park, Meiji Jingu Shrine. Tapos may makikita kayo na parang arrow papunta sa elevator. Yung elevator will go to the surface level na ng Meiji Shrine. Yan. Ay, press natin. Hindi kami nag-press. Paglabas, eto na. This is Harajuku. But we're going to the shrine first. Doon yung Takeshita Street eh. Somewhere doon. But, dito muna tayo guys. Ang ganda. Alam mo, para na siyang Korea for me. Gusto ko na yung Japan. Ganda. Harajuku Station. Ayan guys. Harajuku Station. planning to make my own sweatshirt. I want a sweatshirt. So I'm gonna get my own size. This is the XL size. Here in Takeshita Street and punta tayo sa Cat Street. Nandun ang flagship store ng On Shoes and tignan natin kung ano yung meron dun ngayon. So, let's walk. Ito yung sikat na Marion Crepes. Hindi ko alam bakit siya sikat.
While I'm gazing through my window tonight.
So dito tayo sa isang kalye. Malamig na. Ginaw na yung kamay ko. Shortcut ata to. Oh my gosh! Ang dami!
19 dogs, 19.
How many?
19 today.
Wow! Guys, parang Korea na rin yung team ito eh, no? No? Oh, Cold Stone is very nice here. Ang ganda ng Cold Stone dito. Lamig ngayon, guys. Pero, okay naman. Kaya. Basta lang may ano ka. Basta lang may protection ka. What is this? Okonomiyaki. Alright. Let's continue.
Dreams of someone else. Do you believe when I tell you the dream has become who I am? Better get ready. I'm ready. Better get ready. I'm ready. Ready to do all that.
So guys, I'll introduce you Cat Street here in Harajuku. This is like your Hongdae, Karusugil in Korea, in Seoul. So parang it's the same vibe as that. Ganda, no? Naalala ko yung sa Hongdae, yung parang may Gyeonggi Line Forest. Parang ganun siya. Meron siyang maliit na ganun sa gitna. Amazing. Amazing. So hinahanap namin dito yung On flagship store. So punta na tayo. So as I was saying earlier, ganda din ng vibe dito. Para siyang ano, para na rin siyang Gyeonggi. Anyways, meron ditong LV, Louis Vuitton. Oh my God, there's a line. Guys, there's a line here. Let me show you. LV. Haba ng pila, guys. Oh. Hindi ko alam kung lahat dyan bibili o titigin lang sila. From the On flagship store, maghintay pa kami ng 1 hour. So, pupunta muna kami dito sa isang takoyaki store to try authentic takoyaki here in Tokyo. And I think this is the, ay, daming pila ni. Yung red na yan. Waratako. Bili tayo. Tapos pahinga tayo. Let's eat. Eat.
はい、ナンバー2。はい、これ以外のナンバー2。はい、はい。
Wara Taco. Nandun yung on shoes. And guys, ang dami dito. May nakita ko Maison Margiela. Gosh. Anyways, kain muna tayo. Kain muna. Oh. Takoyaki. Kain muna tayo, guys. Let's eat this. Takoyaki in front of Wara Taco.
Malamig na.
Yeah. We're just sitting here in front of Wara Taco and tapos na kami magmerienda. This is Colombia. Laki rin nga, guys. So, punta tayo sa Adidas. Tingin tayo doon. Ay, ang cute naman nito. Ano yun? Tingnan ko nga, Bi. Okay din kasi yung mga upuan na ganyan dito. This one reminds me of Hongdae. Hongdae to. May toilet kaya siya dyan. Ano natin? Saan sila magto-toilet, diba? Naubos na yung tao sa LV. Ito, dito na tayo. Hindi na kasi ako ma-coach eh. But look, Coach here, guys, is so cute. It's called Coach Play at Cat Street. Super cute. Diba? Ah, All Saints. Ang ganda. All Saints is also a good brand. That is nice. Yun. We're going to eat at Yakiniku like again because I really enjoyed our first lunch doon sa Yakiniku like, and I want it to be our last dinner in Tokyo. B, I think we're gonna turn left, right? There you go. Ito na siya, guys. This is Yakiniku like, guys. Got all short plates and then a small rice, a soup, and it comes with kimchi and then a soda, and then my usual mixture here is this one, soy sauce. I make soy sauce, miso, with chili, and that's it. Wow, what did you get? And then my husband got this set. Now let's start cooking. I'm getting soy sauce and miso. Tapos nagse-separate lang ako ng chili because I like chili. Tinaasan ko lang yung apoy, guys. So guys, pagka naluto na siya, usually that's when the fats reach the charcoal to come in. Malakas yung apoy niya. So you have to lower the fire. So guys, we're done eating at Yakiniku Like. Ang sarap talaga dun. Top guys, punta muna kami sa Family Mart. They have socks here. They have mga shirts dito that are of the same quality as Uniqlo. They also have notes. They have a glue stick. They have this. Marker. I will buy a marker set. Wine. Oh, cute oh. Liit-liit na wine. Oh. Wines na maliit. Mint choco. Ayun yung parang halo-halo. Tokyo banana. Wow! Mukhang masarap. Mukhang masarap, guys. Ano kayang ice cream dito? Ito ba? Ito ba yung sikat ng ice cream? Ito ata yun eh. Sige, I'll buy this one. Ay, pagla, may pudding na ako dun eh. Ito pala, rice. So, pag naghanap si Wancho, pag nandito siya, yan ang mga rice. Let's try this now. Let's try this. I'm gonna get this one. Is this latte? Yeah, this is a latte. So, I'll get this one. Wala bang smaller? Okay, I'll get this French toast for tomorrow. So, I got Famichiki from Family Mart. Bago kami umalis, gusto ko munang masubukan kung okay ba to. At sobrang hinahype itong Famichiki. Na-try ko na ang 7-Eleven, yung Nana Chiki, nung isang araw. So, tikman natin to ngayon. Let's open it up. So, may ganyan siya eh. Parang may perforation na siya. So, ganyan. So, yan. Ganyan siya. Dito mo na lang siyang kainin. Kakagatin mo na lang. Okay. Honest review. Guys, exage naman yung sobrang sarap to. Hindi man sa pag-ano. Okay lang. Lasa siyang KFC. Pero exage siya na sobrang sarap. Kung nagtitipid siya, you can buy this and any rice or onigiri. It tastes like KFC. Close KFC. Pero yun lang yun. Hindi naman siya, nothing special. It's easy, it's quick, nakakabusog, mura. Masarap siya ha, pero hindi siya exage levels. It's just chicken na lasang KFC. So, guys, yun lang. Mag-empake na rin kami tonight. Although, bukas mga 12 o'clock pa naman kami aalis. Papuntang airport. 4:55 pa yung flight namin. So, basically, we still have the morning and we're going to the Samurai Ninja Museum. So, yun lang, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.